If you are all about smarter, budget-friendly travel tips and tricks and making the most of your adventures without spending your retirement savings, this video is for you. Hello, welcome, and for those returning to our channel, welcome back. We are Wayne Melissa Travel, a 50-plus couple sharing our adventures in budget travel. Today we're talking about a little-known holiday hack to help fund your future travels by using something you're probably already doing this season: booking holiday travel and shopping. The holidays are the perfect time to open a new credit card with a generous sign-up bonus. And here's why. Most cards offer big rewards if you meet a minimum spending threshold within the first few months, usually spending around $1,000 to $3,000 within 90 days. This time of year, it's easy to hit those targets without any extra effort, since you're likely spending more on gifts, groceries, electric bills, phone plans, and holiday events. So by strategically choosing a credit card with a sign-up bonus, you're setting yourself up for free flights, hotel stays, airport lounge access, and other travel perks when you're ready for your next adventure. Imagine kicking off the new year with miles or points ready to go toward a vacation you might not have even considered affordable. These points can go a long way. Some bonuses offer enough for round-trip flights or even multi-night stays, depending on where and how you travel. In this video, I'm going to break down which cards we recommend right now, how to manage spending smartly to avoid holiday debt, and a few essential tips for maximizing these rewards. So stick around if you're ready to make the Christmas count towards your next adventure. The first card I'm going to talk to you about is the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. This is the OG of travel cards. This is the first card we got, and there's a very good reason it's very popular. It offers valuable travel rewards, including a generous sign-up bonus that can cover your flight, your hotel, even your car rental. You can earn 2x points on travel and dining and 1x on all other spending, making it easy to accumulate points very quickly. Plus, if you redeem these points through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, they're going to be worth 25% more, giving you even more value on your next trip. Let me break it down just a little bit more. The Chase Sapphire Preferred points are part of the Ultimate Rewards program. This allows you to transfer points to several travel partners like Hyatt and many major airlines, usually at a 1-to-1 ratio. For example, you can transfer Chase points to Hyatt, turning them into Hyatt loyalty points. These points are then redeemable for hotel stays. For flights, you can transfer Chase points to airline partners like United, Southwest, or British Airways, just to name a few. This lets you use points directly within the airline's loyalty program to book your flights, saving you lots of money by covering the flight costs with points instead of your cash. This flexibility makes Chase points especially valuable for travelers because you can choose to redeem them with whichever partner gives you the best travel option and value, as opposed to co-branded cards. For instance, if you had a Delta credit card or a United credit card, you could only use those points and miles that you earn on United and Delta. The next card I want to recommend to you is the Capital One Venture X card. This is a premium travel card that offers premium travel benefits. It has a good sign-up bonus, and you get unlimited 2x on everything you purchase, so it's very easy to use this card. You also get 10x miles on hotels and rental cars if you book them through the Capital One travel portal. You also earn a $300 annual travel credit, which I used this year on my flight to Puerto Vallarta. You also get 10,000 miles added to your account every bonus year. You also get Priority Pass lounge access and Capital One lounge access. This is ideal for people who just want to take a break from the airport. This next card is a business card. It's the American Express Blue Business Plus card. This card has no annual fee, and you earn 2x on everything. Now, you may be asking yourself, but I don't have a business. You may have a business and not even realize you have a business. If you have an Etsy shop, if you sell things on Facebook Marketplace, if you have a YouTube channel, if you have any way of making money outside of your typical 9-to-5 job, then you have a business. We actually have a business because we own some rental property. So we use that as our business, and we earn points for that spending on these business cards. Our favorite business card is the Chase Ink Business Preferred. One of the main reasons is because it is a Chase card and those points are very valuable, but they always have a magnificent sign-up bonus. I think the last one we received was 90,000 Chase points for spending 8,000 in 3 months. This card has a substantial sign-up bonus right now, and it will reward you or give you points on business spending, like 3x on travel, shipping, internet, cable, and phone services. The final card is a card we recently picked up, the World of Hyatt credit card. Now, you may wonder, why do you need a Hyatt credit card when you're transferring points to Hyatt from Chase? I'll tell you, because the sign-up bonus was very doable. It was spend $4,000 in 90 days and receive 5 free night certificates. So those certificates are very valuable, and it was worth it to us to get the World of Hyatt card. This card does cost $95 annually to own. However, you get a free night certificate once a year. Earn 4x for every dollar you spend at a Hyatt property, 2x for every dollar you spend on dining, flights, gym memberships, and even local transit. So if you take buses, the metro, even internationally, you get double points by using the Hyatt card. Now, I do want to offer you this caution. None of this makes any kind of sense if you are not in the position to pay your credit cards off in full every month. It's not worth doing this. So if you know yourself well enough to know you're going to carry a balance, please do not use this strategy. If you do choose to use this strategy, I have a resource that I'd like to offer you. It's a website and an app called Travel Freely. It's a very helpful tool to maximize travel rewards by tracking your credit card spending and organizing reward programs. One major benefit is that it monitors your credit card sign-up bonuses, letting you know when it's time to apply for a new card or when a bonus deadline is approaching. The platform also provides personalized recommendations called Card Genie for new cards based on your goals. It tracks key card details like annual fees and points expirations and helps you stay within the 524 rule to maximize your ability to earn bonuses across several cards. It's easier to achieve your travel reward goals without the hassle of manually tracking it. So we highly recommend Travel Freely. And I mentioned the 524 rule. This applies to Chase. I think there's many content creators on this platform that can explain this far better than I can. So please Google Chase 524, or when you get to the Travel Freely website, take a look at his resources there. He has lots of videos that explain it to you. I hope you are feeling inspired to make your holiday spending work toward your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on smart travel and budgeting, and let me know in the comments how you're planning to use your rewards this season. One final reminder, the graphics that I used were up to date as of November of 2024. Please always check with the website to see what the best and current sign-up bonuses are before you apply for a card. Thank you so much for using our links and encouraging us by subscribing to our channel. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.